guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 12 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 2558. Take gifts from the richest pile. Okay, so you are given an integer array gifts denoting the number of gifts in various piles. Every second you do the following. Choose the pile with the maximum number of gifts. If there is more than one pile with the maximum number of gifts, choose any. Leave behind the floor of the square root of the number of gifts in the pile. Take the rest of the gifts and return the number of gifts remaining after k seconds. Okay, so see here, example number one. These are the gifts given to us, right? 25, 64, 9, 400. So instead of sorting, let's use one data structure which keep top elements, okay, which keep the max elements on the top. So here I'm talking about max heap, right? Max heap. Okay, so here if I put all the elements in heap, so 4 comes here, okay, then 9 will come, okay, then after that 25 will come, then 64 will come, right, and then 100 will come. 100 will come on the top. Okay, so right now k is equal to 4. Okay, so here in the first step I'm just going to find the square root of 100. Okay, so square root of 100 is 10, right, and its floor value is 10 only, right? So I'm going to remove this 100. Okay, I'm going to remove this 100 and I'm going to put 10 inside this max heap. Okay, so I'm going to remove this 100 and 10 I'm going to add. Okay, so here my max heap is going to become like this: 4, 9, then 10, okay, then 25, then 64. All right, so this is at k is equal to 3. Okay, this is what I did at k is equal to 3. Okay, now k is equal to 2. We are decremented, right? So 4. Okay, so in the first second I did this. In the second what I'm going to do, take the max element. Okay, take it out. And what is the square root of this? 64 is 8. Okay, floor value is 8 only. So I'm going to put this 8 now inside. Okay, so 4, 8, 9, 10, and then we have 25. Okay, okay, so this is what we do. Okay, in the next second. Okay, so this is at k is equal to 4, I did this. Okay, at k is equal to 4, at k is equal to 3, I did this. Now at k is equal to 2, I'm going to take this 25 out and do the square root of this. I will get 5, and after that uh, floor value is 5 only. Okay, so this is what we have to do, right? Square root of the number of gifts. All right, and that's what we need to leave. Okay, so here we have to put 5 now inside. Okay, so 4 here, 5 here, 8 here, 9 here, and 10 here. Okay, so now last second k is equal to 1. Okay, so here if you see carefully, at first second we did this. Okay, at second we did this. At third second we did this. Now this is the last step. Okay, at the fourth second. Okay, so total 4 k is equal to 4, right? So here take this 10 out. Okay, and do the square root of this 10. So what is the value we are going to get? Okay, so here see 3 point something. Okay, 3 point something we will get. 3 point something. Okay, 3 point something. All right, so we have to do the floor value. So floor value, if I do this of 3, I will get 3 only. Okay, 3 point something, so I will get 3. So I'm going to put this 3 in the periodic queue now. Okay, so 3 in the end, I'm left with the 3, 4, 5, 8, and 9. Okay, so now do the summation of this. 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 5, 22, 22 plus 4, 26, 26 plus 3, 29. So 29 is my output. Okay, so this is what we need to do. All right, let's write the code for this. Take the priority queue first. Okay, integer, name it as priority queue. Okay, new, here priority queue. All right, and now inside this let's say I have two values. Okay, a and b. So I need max heap, right? So here I'm just going to use the lambda expression. So here I will say b minus a. Okay, so it will help me in maintaining the max heap. Okay, so largest element at the top. All right, so this is done. Now after that, what you need to do, let's put all the elements in the priority queue. Okay, so int I is equal to, or you can use for each loop as well. So gift, in my gifts, okay, here inside this pq dot offer, and here just pass the gift value. Okay, so once this is done, then just run one while loop while my k is not equal to 0. Okay, then take the max element out. Int max is equal to pq dot poll. Okay, and we have to calculate the new element. Okay, so int x, so this is going to be nothing but math dot square root of the max element. Okay, then we have to do the floor of this value as well. Okay, floor of this value as well. So math dot floor. Okay, and this is going to give me something in double format. Okay, so I have to change it to int type. Okay, so here I'm just going to write int. Okay, and then we have to add this x value in my priority queue. Okay, and once I added this, then just decrement the value of k minus minus. Okay, so this is done, and here we have to do, in the end we have to just do the summation of all the elements which are left in my priority queue. So while my priority queue is not empty, okay, until my priority queue is not empty, so take one variable, we have to return the answer in long format. So here long sum is equal to 0. Okay, so here just write sum is equal to sum plus pq dot poll. Okay, that's it. Now in the end just return sum. Let's run it and see if there are any code issues. We'll try to fix that. All the test cases has been accepted. Let's submit it. And the time capacity is going to be off and login because of this priority queue sorting that we are doing. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.